People are just on a buying spree. People are buying like crazy and they have become greedy. All those who are not a part of market, they also want to enter and make huge money. And people who have already made money, but still they are not selling it because they have a greed inside. It is moving up. Why should I book the profits now? Let me tell you, nobody knows when is the market going to take a U-turn. It always has been in the history. We all know how does a curve of a market looks like. It always like a wave. So you never know which is the tip of that wave. Hi there, welcome to Enriching Lives, where we talk about career, finances, personality enhancement, spoken English, job vacancies, and a lot more. If this interests you, do consider subscribing our channel. Your support means a lot to us. Well, I really admire Warren Buffett, who is the guru of stock markets. He has been investing since age of 13 and he is a self-made billionaire who has made immense wealth from stock market, who is called the guru of investments. We all know about Warren Buffett. I mean, needless to mention that the kind of strategies and the concepts that he put across are commendable. I really like one of his quotes. I believe that's pretty much enough to understand the psychology behind investors. So the quote goes like, "Be greedy when everyone is fearful and be fearful when everyone is greedy." Now, what does that mean? Let's decode it. When everybody is being greedy, which means that people are buying with the intention of having a lot of profit. People are just on a buying spree. People are buying like crazy and they have become greedy. All those who are not a part of market, they also want to enter and make huge money. And people who have already made money, but still they are not selling it because they have a greed inside. It is moving up. Why should I book the profits now? I should better wait and have more profits. So this greed does not allow the investors to actually sell the scripts, right? And they keep on waiting, and yes, the market moves up and up, but let me tell you, nobody knows when is the market going to take a U-turn. It always has been in the history. We all know how does a curve of a market looks like. It always like a wave. So you never know which is the tip of that wave. So when everybody is being greedy, you be fearful. That means understand it is the time to exit. Sell off your shares, book the profits, because you don't know when is the market going to tumble down, when is the bull going to be hit by the bear. So it's better book your profits and do not be greedy like others. Okay. And on the other hand, when everybody is fearful, which means that the market sentiment is really negative, people are just selling out, selling like crazy. Because of huge selling going on, the prices of a particular company are just going towards their bottoms. They are making 52 weeks new lows. So when the scripts are actually making their new bottoms, that is the time for you to be greedy. Now you buy. It is the right time for you to buy and enter the market. So do opposite of what the other people are doing. Do not be a follower. Do not be a part of herd mentality. Always remember, when people are being fearful, you need to be greedy. And even if it corrects a little bit, still you should keep on buying. And when you have accumulated a lot of shares at a very, very reasonable price, at relatively cheaper prices, it's the time for you to hold and witness the upward movement of this roller coaster. Always remember, stock markets perform like a roller coaster. It will take you up and down, up and down. And the point here is to understand, majority of people commit mistake that they enter at the peak levels. When the market starts falling down, they complain that market is really risky or it's not good, I lost my money. And what they do out of panic, they witness that market is going down, and because of negative emotions and under stress, they sell it off at much lower prices, and in this way they lose the money. So they are actually doing the opposite what is supposed to be done. So they are buying at the peaks and then they're selling at the bottoms. So understand, you need to work with a completely opposite mindset. You need to buy at the bottoms and sell at the peaks. That's what you're supposed to do. Right now, if I talk about the current market situation, it has gained a lot of momentum. Lot of stocks out there are highly overvalued. The PE ratio is making a new high. The stocks are really very expensive. Well, if you buy right now, you may book some profit. It may go much higher, but you never know when is the market going to take a U-turn. So it's better to understand it's the time for the roller coaster anytime to take a downturn. So it's better either you keep your money ready to be invested when it would touch a low, because it's surely going to make new lows, and keep on averaging out. I'm not saying take out all your money now. What you can do is you can sell off a portion, book the profits. You can take out that much amount of money which you have invested, so that you do not have that fear of losing out your principal amount. When you have taken out your principal amount, whatever is happening, it's happening with your profits. So you do not feel that much pain if you lose out this money. So take out in chunks and try to churn out your portfolio a bit. I believe this is the correct time to follow this strategy. And in this way, if you have something invested, well, if the market is going upwards, you will have more profits, right, in future. But if the market goes downwards, you have already taken out your principal amount. In this way, you will be in a win-win situation. So you are actually kind of playing safe and being little riskier. So here you are taking calculated risk and not just, taking random risk. So that's all for this video. I hope you liked it. If you do liked it, smash the button. It gives me motivation to make more of such videos. We'll see you soon in yet another video. Till then, you take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.